never mind. Oh,
The Magic Wand tool, known simply as the Magic Wand, is one of the oldest selection tools in Photoshop. Unlike other selection tools, that select pixels in an image based on shapes or by detecting object edges, the Magic Wand selects pixels based on tone and color. The main thing is that the shortcut for it is letter W, and if you want to select the Quick Selection tool, then simple press Shift plus W to shift Wand tool to Quick Selection tool. In this tutorial, we're going to discover how the wand really works. For example, let's say I want to select the horizontal black bar. All I need to do is click anywhere on the black bar with the Magic Wand. Photoshop will see that I've clicked on an area of black, and will instantly select every pixel in the image that shares that same shade of black, effectively selecting the black bar for me just by clicking on it. Now let's go with a difficult example, with having different shade of light and colors. As you can see here, it sets the tolerance at 32 by default. I have already selected Wand tool. Let's start with selecting the sky area which I want to be select. By just pressing click, it selects area which having tolerance up to 32. Here you can see it selected some portion. Let's check for 40. So here you can see it increases its selected area. Checking for 50, so here you can see it increase its length at this area. I am just checking that, at which value will I get desired area to be selected. Now I'm going to enter 105. So you can see here it selected the area I wanted to be selected. So that's how the wand tool works. Now we are going to learn how the selection tool works. The Quick Selection tool is somewhat similar to the Magic Wand, in that it also selects pixels based on tone and color. But the Quick Selection tool goes far beyond the Magic Wand's limited abilities by also looking for similar textures in the image, which makes it great at detecting the edges of objects. And unlike the Magic Wand, where we click on an area and hope for the best, the Quick Selection tool works more like a brush, allowing us to select areas simply by painting over them. If you look in the options bar along the top of the screen, you'll see a series of 3 icons, which let us switch between the tool's 3 selection modes. The Add to Selection option middle one is already chosen for us, since the whole point of the Quick Selection tool is to continue adding to the selection until you've selected everything you need. For subtracting this portion, clicking on that subtract icon. You can see here it selected the portion which I wanted to be select. And for shortcuts for it, that for increasing the size of brush, press closing square bracket key. And for decreasing its size, press opening square bracket key. Now I want to crop this area, so that I can change this sky with new one. Press right click. Select Inverse. Layer Mask. And choosing photo which I want to replace with this sky. So here you can see it needed some refining of edges. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this tutorial going to helpful to you. Press the like button to show your love on me. Please share this video as much you can, and don't forget to hit subscribe button.